Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. I'm sorry for my looks, but I was so cozy that I didn't want to change my outfits or my looks, so this is what you have so far. So for today's video, we are going to do a bunch of DIYs. I love DIYs. If you don't know that, I'm like a DIY person. I always do DIYs. Basically, making DIYs was the reason why I started a YouTube channel, so I'm very excited to be bringing you guys a DIY video. And today we are going to do a bunch of Christmas decorations so you can put around your house, at your front door, you know, you name it, we're gonna do it. I'm very excited because not only I'm doing this video today of Christmas decorations, but I'm also going to be uploading DIY Christmas gifts ideas. So I'm very excited for this season. I love this season, if you haven't noticed. I think I'm like in the right mood for this video. So the first step for this DIY is obviously to take everything out of the frames, just leaving the glass, because that's where you're gonna be writing and you want to have that floating effect. The next step and the last step is basically to just write Merry and Christmas on each frame or whatever you want to write, and then I just added some snowflakes just to decorate the overall frame. I think this is a test for your patience because your calligraphy may not seem perfect at first, so I just went back and kind of perfect everything. You can just erase as many times as you want and rewrite. And that's it. That's everything you need to do to have these floating effect frames, and I think they look super cute and a must-have on this Christmas. So this DIY, I think it's the one that it's all worth it. It is time consuming, but looks so cute. So first of all, you just want to take the hanger and basically turn it into a more circular shape, because that's the shape that you are going to be guided by to make this worth. And basically what you want to do, first of all, I just planned out how I wanted it to look like, and then I just went with my hot glue gun and just glue everything around it. I even added some fairy lights. I think that is just the cutest thing ever, and I love it so much. I never had one of these before, and I think it's just absolute life-changing. It's so cute and I'm obsessed, honestly. So highly recommend. You going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
this is the easiest DIY of this video. Basically what you want to do is just to gather all the pine cones that you want to be part of this DIY and with a hot glue gun just glue them together, wait for it to dry, and then add a strap so you can hang wherever you want. So the first step is the most important step of this DIY because basically that's what it's gonna give you this Christmas tree effect. So what you want to do is just to fold the magazine exactly how I'm folding on this video. And basically what you want to do is fold all the pages of the magazine the same way and then spray paint it. I actually, whenever I spray paint it, I kind of add some sparkles to it, so when it dries it just attaches the sparkles. And then what I did was with my hot glue gun I just glue some ornaments just to make everything more put together. So this is a very easy DIY as well to do. So first of all, what you're gonna do is to cut the paper rolls. Then I just spray painted them so they can be more Christmassy. To make the snowflake effect, basically what I did was just to get the paper roll cutted parts that I cut previously and then fold other ones and just glue them together. I added some glitter, and whenever that was dried I basically just add some ornaments, some stars in the middle to complement the look, and then I added some straps so I can just hang wherever I wanted. I highly recommend you to just get more creative with these. Honestly, I regret not to, so be my guest.
So that was today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel down below. It really helps. I know everyone says that, but it really does. And also makes me so happy to see the family grow. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down below, and stay tuned for more videos like this. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!